To optimize Debank gas fees, start by understanding what gas fees are and how they impact your transactions. Gas fees are the costs associated with executing transactions on the blockchain, and they can fluctuate depending on network congestion. First, navigate to the Debank website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, create one and connect your wallet. Once you are logged in, click on the settings icon and select gas fee optimization from the drop-down menu. Next, you will see a list of available gas fee optimization strategies. These strategies include using low gas price transactions, splitting large transactions into smaller ones, and using gas tokens to offset fees. Choose the strategy that best fits your needs and click Apply. Now, let us look at how to implement low gas price transactions. To do this, go to the transaction page and enter the details of your transaction. Before confirming, click on the Advanced Options link and select the Low Gas Price option. This will allow you to set a custom gas price for your transaction. Another way to optimize gas fees is by using gas tokens. Gas tokens are specialized tokens that can be used to offset gas fees. To use gas tokens, go to the token page and purchase the gas token of your choice. Once you have purchased the gas token, go to the transaction page and select the gas token as the payment method. Best practices for optimizing Debank gas fees include monitoring network congestion and adjusting your gas price accordingly. You should also consider using gas fee optimization tools and services to help streamline the process. In conclusion, optimizing Debank gas fees requires a combination of understanding gas fees, choosing the right optimization strategy, and implementing best practices. By following these steps and staying informed about gas fees, you can minimize your transaction costs and maximize your returns.